Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention, please.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, nearest exit.
Yeah.
Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported.
Firearms going in.
Have your attention, please. May I have your attention, please?
The World Trade Center is
Has
dead.
been reported in the building. Please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not.
Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants block the stairway exit.
There's poop in there. Hey, go.
Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down the assigned Wheelock floor to the main lobby.
The camera's working. Oh.
May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators.
Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants
I'm done.
walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk